Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 10.
Today, we're talking about health problems and how to talk about them in English.
This is very useful because everyone gets sick sometimes.
Yes, and today, I'm sick.
Ben, you always say you're sick.
This time, it's real.
Really?
Yes, I have a headache, a sore throat, a fever, and a cough.
Ben, you have everything?
Yes, it's very serious.
I don't believe you.
Ouch, that makes me feel worse.
Quick question. When you feel sick, what do you do first? Do you rest or go to the doctor?
Okay, help me, Emma.
By the end of today, you will be able to talk about health problems in English. You will learn words like headache, stomachache, and fever. You will learn how to say, I feel tired or I feel better.
And you will practice giving simple advice with you should.
Ben calls Emma. He's making a weak voice.
Help,
Ben, why are you talking like that?
because I'm sick.
What's wrong?
Everything is wrong.
Okay, tell me your problem.
First, I have a headache.
Okay,
Second, I have a sore throat.
okay,
Third, I have a cough.
okay.
And I think I have a fever.
Do you have a temperature?
Yes, it's very high.
How high?
Maybe 38?
That's a fever.
Yes, I told you.
Do you have a stomachache?
Yes, maybe.
Then, do you really have a stomachache?
Well, I ate 3 sandwiches yesterday.
3 sandwiches?
Yes, and one was spicy.
So maybe your stomach hurts because of the food.
That sounds possible.
How do you feel right now?
I feel tired.
You should rest.
I can't rest.
Why?
Because I have an appointment today.
An appointment with who?
With my friend for coffee.
Then that is not important.
It's important to me.
If you feel worse, you should cancel.
Should I take medicine?
Yes, you should take medicine.
Okay.
And you should drink water.
Okay.
And you should sleep.
Okay.
And you should stop eating 3 sandwiches.
Okay.
Do you need to see a doctor?
Maybe.
If your fever is worse tomorrow, you should go to the doctor.
Okay.
You can make a doctor appointment.
An appointment with a doctor. Okay. Can you come here?
Why?
Because I need help.
Then you don't need help. You need rest.
But I'm lonely.
Okay, I will call you later.
Thank you.
Feel better soon.
I feel better already.
Really?
Yes, because you're talking to me.
Ben, you are not sick.
Maybe just a little.
Okay, take medicine, rest, and stop being dramatic.
Okay, I will.
See you later.
Take care.
Now let's learn the key vocabulary.
Bin, repeat after us.
Word 1, headache.
Meaning, pain in your head.
Example, I have a headache.
Your turn. Say, I have a headache.
Word 2, stomachache.
Meaning, pain in your stomach.
Example, I have a stomachache.
Your turn. Say, I have a stomachache.
Word 3, cough.
Meaning, when you cough. Cough, cough.
Example, I have a cough.
Your turn. Say, I have a cough.
Word 4, fever.
Meaning high temperature because you're sick.
Example, I have a fever.
Your turn. Say, I have a fever.
Phrase 5, sore throat.
Meaning pain in your throat.
Example, I have a sore throat.
Your turn. Say, I have a sore throat.
Word 6, tired.
Meaning you need rest or sleep.
Example, I feel tired.
Your turn. Say, I feel tired.
Word 7, rest.
Meaning relax and do nothing.
Example, you should rest.
Your turn. Say, I need rest.
Word 8, medicine.
Meaning something you take to feel better.
Example, I take medicine.
Your turn. Say, I take medicine.
Word 9, doctor.
Meaning a person who helps when you are sick.
Example, I go to the doctor.
Your turn. Say, I go to the doctor.
Word 10, appointment.
Meaning a planned meeting time.
Example, I have a doctor appointment.
Your turn. Say, I have an appointment.
Word 11, better.
Meaning not sick, improved.
Example, I feel better today.
Your turn. Say, I feel better.
Word 12, worse.
Meaning not better, more bad.
Example, I feel worse today.
Your turn. Say, I feel worse.
Now let's practice the grammar.
Today we focus on 3 useful patterns.
Pattern 1, I have a. Example, I have a headache.
Example, I have a cough.
Pattern 2, I feel. Example, I feel tired.
Example, I feel better.
Pattern 3, you should for advice. Example, you should rest.
Example, you should take medicine.
5 examples.
Ben 1, I have a fever.
M, 2, I have a sore throat.
Ben 3, I feel tired.
M, 4, I feel better today.
Ben 5, you should go to the doctor.
2 common mistakes. Mistake 1, I have fever. Mistake 2, you should to rest. Correction, I have a fever. Correction, you should rest.
Now repeat the key sentences.
We will say them 3 times, slow, medium, natural. Sentence 1, I have a headache. Slow, I have a headache.
Medium, I have a headache.
Natural, I have a headache.
Sentence 2, I have a sore throat. Slow, I have a sore throat.
Medium, I have a sore throat. Natural, I have a sore throat.
Sentence 3, I have a cough. Slow, I have a cough.
Medium, I have a cough. Natural, I have a cough.
Sentence 4, I think I have a fever. Slow, I think I have a fever.
Medium, I think I have a fever. Natural, I think I have a fever.
Sentence 5, I feel tired. Slow, I feel tired.
Medium, I feel tired. Natural, I feel tired.
Sentence 6, you should rest. Slow, you should rest.
Medium, you should rest. Natural, you should rest.
Sentence 7, you should take medicine. Slow, you should take medicine.
Medium, you should take medicine. Natural, you should take medicine.
Sentence 8, if you feel worse, go to the doctor. Slow, if you feel worse, Go to the doctor.
Medium, if you feel worse, go to the doctor. Natural, if you feel worse, go to the doctor. Now you speak.
Answer after the pause. Say you have a headache.
Sample answer, I have a headache.
Say you feel tired.
Sample answer, I feel tired.
Say you have a sore throat.
Sample answer, I have a sore throat. Give advice. Rest. You should rest. Give advice. Take medicine. You should take medicine. Say you feel better. I feel better. Say you feel worse. I feel worse. Quick quiz. Answer in your head. Question 1. What is a headache? Question 2. What is a fever? Question 3. What do you take when you are sick? Question 4. What do you do when you need rest? Question 5. What do you say to give advice? Answers. 1. A headache is pain in your head. 2. A fever is a high temperature when you are sick. 3. Medicine. 4. Rest. 5. You should. Your mission today. Make a short, sick conversation. Record yourself and say, I have a, I feel, you should, I feel better now. Say it 3 times, slow, medium, natural. Great job today. You finished episode 10. You can now talk about health problems in English. Episode 11 will be about hobbies and free time, and Emma will discover Ben's secret hobby. Secret hobby? See you. Take care.